Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Marketing Mavens, welcome to the world of automated email campaigns with Autopilots. Join me on this beginner-friendly exploration as we delve into the basics and discover how Autopilot can streamline your email marketing efforts, saving you time and boosting efficiency. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So first of all guys that we need to deliver to you in this video is what is it autopilot exactly and what are the benefits of it. So first of all, autopilot is in a way to send emails with Mail Meteor. It gives you access to advanced sending options. Instead of sending emails every few seconds, you can space out emails by a few minutes or even more. It makes you sending much more natural and less likely to be considered as automated queries. So basically, let's say that you have 1,000, or let's say your business is way more bigger than that. You have 100k database of contacts or emails that you have to send them mails. Now, normally, if we ever try to send a big number of emails at once to multiple mails, well, automatically the actual pilot of this email is gonna consider them as spam, and all your payment that you have paid on whatever platform, let's say it is MailChimp or whatever, they're gonna be not on the inbox, more likely to be ended in spam. So in this video guys, we would like to actually explain to you autopilot and introduce the technique to actually avoid being sent to spam. Now, sending hundred thousands of emails at once to one account or to multiple accounts, well, yeah, 100% will be ended up in spam. But with autopilot, you can literally make like timings between each email and another, and you can literally make a whole customization so it can be randomed. For example, between the first and the second email, they should wait 30 seconds. Before the second email and the third email, you wait 20 seconds. Between like the third and the fourth email, wait 6 minutes, and so go on. We can even, as you can see here in this image, control the delay between each mail sent. As we talked about, you can send even and choose to send in day specifically. So for example, in Monday, Tuesday only, Wednesday only, and for example in this picture there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on from 9 to 5 p.m. Maximum per day is 300 mail per day, and the delay between emails is 60 seconds. Start sending from now, start sending after 50 seconds. That's all up to you. So this is a very awesome tool to have. As you can see, you can send now up to 10,000 emails with Gmail. What's good with sending emails on autopilot is that you no longer have to worry about hitting Gmail's daily sending limits. The autopilot feature lets you bypass the daily Gmail sending limits by staggering your email communication over several days. So 10,000 email, easy. I'm just gonna split them. I'm not gonna do anything about them. I'm just gonna chill with one click, pick the days, pick the amounts of the max email that I want to send, and peace. Those emails are gonna be sent to their specific inboxes. Now, why is it important to focus on deliverability? Well, of course, guys, when you send a campaign throughout Meteor, our team is hard at work to make sure that your emails are well delivered to the inbox of your recipient. This is not an easy job, as all email service providers, ESP, such as Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, have different mechanisms to define if an email should reach a user inbox or not. Autopilot is their most recent feature to help you focus on deliverability and maximize it. By defining exactly when emails should be sent, you can achieve a much higher deliverability rate than other merge solutions. Especially the sender rate of your email address is a key factor to make sure your reputation stays a high level. So with Autopilot, you can schedule your emails at a slow pace. Now you can send campaigns with hundreds of emails without introducing peaks in your sending activity. So this is unusual sending activity which has zero sending peaks, which is goes up till 100 to 1000 within seconds, but this one a normal sending activity which is continuously at a small ratio, and it has the same momentum, which is also what you are looking for. Autopilot works in pair with their sending tips to level up your Gmail reputation. It is especially aimed at power users such as growth marketers or sales that are looking for a solution to significantly increase their open rates and click rate. This is a video tutorial that they have made on how you can start using it, so it is very useful. Now this tool is at the moment meant by Meteor, guys, so in case to actually have the access into it, well, you have to get the access to Meteor, which are the pricings of it not that expensive, to be honest, which starts with the premium version of $10 per user per month. You have up to 15k email to be sent per month. We have unlimited contacts, opens and clicks, tracking, attachment, and aliases. So you have all of these like merged in only one place. For the pro version, you will have everything in premium plus up to 45 emails per month, sequence and follow-up, sheets, automations, bounces and replies detection, and unlimited email validation. And again, it is $25 per user per month. In the business, you will have highly personalized outreach at scale. You will have around 60,000 email per month, unlimited alias, follow-ups after minutes, custom tracking domain, Zapier integration, priority email support, and it is $50 per user. So it's not that expensive for a business to actually have it. And this is how much email you'll have per day. So this is per month and this is per day, so it has been split it for you guys. So 2000 is the maximum amount of emails that you can send per day for the business, 1500 for emails and 500 for the premium, and 50 for the free version. Of course, there's other features that you can check them from here, and for the free version you can literally try it for free and you will try the 50 emails sent by them for without charging. And these are basically some of the dozens of companies that are working with them. There's Epic Games, there's Uber, Pinterest, Shopify, like Spotify. There is dozens of well-known companies. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.